Well, hello there, friends. If it isn't our friend the messy monster. Huh? You want me to show you how to draw a snowman? Now that sounds like a chilled idea. Well then, let's get started. First we'll need to start our snowman by drawing its hat. So let's start with the rim by drawing a rectangle like this. Then you can draw a square on top, like this. Now we can move on to the head by drawing a nice circle like so. Then you can draw the body by drawing an even bigger circle like this. Now we can move on to the face and draw two eyes. One eye. Two eyes. And for the nose, we could draw a pointed triangle to look like a carrot. Then we can draw a big smile for a happy snowman. Let's move on to the arms. Draw a line like this. And two more for his fingers. Now let's do the other arm the same way. Then we can add 3 buttons on the body by drawing little circles like this. And there you have an awesome looking snowman. But let's add color just to complete the look. So, Messy Monster, what do you think of our awesome snowman? Huh? Looks like Frosty the Snowman thinks it's awesome, and so does Rudolph the Reindeer. That's just great. Well, I hope you had fun. Until next time, bye!